We've just had our CA 2015 conference at Senate House. We've been holding these conferences for 8 years now. This has been another spectacular success.
I have enjoyed seeing the writers of my textbooks.
Actually, on our reading list, we've got quite a few of the lecturers that are here today, which is always a good thing to actually put a name to the face.
And being able to ask the questions that you want to ask to these really big names.
Yes, it's a great event. It's lovely to meet people. Many other conferences I get to go to, it's very much about archaeologists, but here we're talking to people who are interested in archaeology and from community and society backgrounds and things like that, so they've got a very different perspective.
I always find the CA live conference a great one to go to. It's such a friendly atmosphere for a start. You know, there's lots of incredibly enthusiastic people, obviously the readership of Current Archaeology, and I think that the people giving the lectures also enjoy it because of that atmosphere, and also it's perhaps less pressured than an academic conference, and lots of people have actually noticed that. So it's great. I mean, I always enjoy coming here, and it's nice to be involved in it, in sharing the prehistory session and giving out the awards.
We've had sessions on the Anglo-Saxons, an international session, a session reporting on the successful rescue projects of the last year, a session on prehistory, a session on boats, and a session on the Roman frontier. So a wide range of both British and international archaeology.
I've enjoyed interacting with all the people who've actually come to see the lectures because they're quite interesting.
Yeah, as an archaeological student, it's really good to see the interaction between public archaeology and the archaeology that we study in terms of the magazine and how that reaches a wider audience.
We've done the awards, which we do every year, and our award winners on this occasion were Mike Fulford, voted Archaeologist of the Year, Paul Barn, produced the Best Book of the Year, and the projects that won awards were the Maryport project as a research project, and the best of the rescue projects was the Haysborough project, which has been looking at human origins in Britain.
No, the awards ceremony is always such a great part of the whole conference. It's nice for everybody to get together and have some wine and something to eat, but the fact that the readership have actually voted for these people, you know, there's a real sort of sense of ownership. It was a really lovely evening and a fantastic atmosphere.
It's going fantastically, it always does. It's got a beautifully sort of relaxed vibe. And you know, well, it's almost like going to the pub, you know, you're surrounded by friends.
So it's thanks to everybody involved, which means all of the CA staff who work incredibly hard to put this event on, all of the contributors, of course, all of our participants who come, many of them coming every year, thanks to our sponsors, I should say, as well. And I would encourage everybody to look out for next year's event and don't miss it.